99 Silverado, 99 to 02. These are those bolt-in style versus the clip-in style. Clip-in styles are just loose, way too loose. So I figured bolt-in would be better. You know, it's wore out. Well, every fucking jackass picture I see on Google and on YouTube shows that brass bushing on top. But to me, that makes more sense that it rides in between, because that's what it does on the bottom. There are no good fucking instructions. Waiting for those guys at 1A Auto to do one. They probably do got one, I just haven't noticed it. But if you guys can enlighten me, because when that one goes in, there's still about a washer's width of space on top, and that don't seem right. And I've broke these before, the bolts. I've snapped those off before, tightening them down too tight. I had to run them up, run them back, run them up, run them back a couple times. I was stacking 2 washers on that. One of these brass, one of these brass ones, and one of the big ones that come with the dorman part number right there. It was a different part number for these guys, so don't get confused. These clip-in styles with the little C-clips are not these ones. These ones right here are these bolt-in ones. They seem to be a little bit better because it'll squeeze all this down and you won't get no backwards pull out of this. But that's just my 2 cents on it. I don't do this. I just work on them. I just sell the parts. But not even any instructions on the back. It just tells you what the fuck's in it. That don't help nobody. They're cool. Thank you. What are they? Nylon. I'll tell you what. That's what I did to one of the nuts. I don't know if that thing is like smooth. That's what I did to one of the nuts, just trying to tighten it down back and forth, and then it just stripped itself out. Luckily, these nuts aren't as hard as these guys are. I'd screwed up this one and put just a regular nut on it. I'll put some thread locker on the end there just to, you know, I doubt it's gonna back out or anything. But this is only like my 4th time fucking doing this, so I don't know. Maybe this will help somebody, you know, because nobody's fucking helping me. So I've looked and I've looked, but once you push this down, it presses in kind of like a wheel stud into this bar right here, and it doesn't pull far enough down. This one's close, but there's still a gap there, so makes no sense to me why there's a gap there. So I love autofocus. That one's the nicest one out of all of them. So one of them did what it was supposed to. Oh, I'm sorry. This one did the same. It did the right. But these top ones are being a bear. So, alright, good luck, and comment if you know what the hell I'm doing wrong. Because I don't. Thank you.